How to fix delete key not working in Windows. 1. Run the keyboard troubleshooter. 2. Update, using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide, roll back, or uninstall the keyboard driver. 3. Disable keyboard's power management. Settings in Device Manager. 4. Disable sticky and filter keys on Windows. 5. Turn on the on-screen keyboard. 6. Remap the delete key via PowerToys. Here are the steps to remap the delete key using Microsoft PowerToys on Windows. 1. Download and install PowerToys from the Microsoft Store or GitHub release page. 2. Open PowerToys and go to the Keyboard Manager module. 3. In the Remap Key section, click the plus icon to create a new remap. 4. In the pop-up, choose the key you want to remap as the From key. For the delete key, select Delete from the drop-down menu. 5. For the To key, choose what you want the delete key to be remapped to. For example, the End key by selecting End from the drop-down. 6. Click OK to create the remap. 7. Make sure the toggle is switched on next to your new remap to enable it. 8. Click Apply in PowerToys to activate this and any other key remappings. Now when you press the delete key, it will function as if you pressed the new key you remapped it to instead. You can create multiple remaps in PowerToys to customize your keyboard however you like. Just remember to hit apply for the changes to take effect. 7. Other tips. Restart your PC. Clean your keyboard. Test your keyboard on a different PC. Uninstall the last Windows update.